Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now listen up, you lot. We're not messing about today. This isn't some greasy spoon fry-up. Today we're diving into 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that will make you flourish. That's right, flourish. We're talking about food that's going to set you up for the day, not weigh you down like a soggy biscuit. Let's get started. Alright, you want to start your day like a winner? Then listen up. There's a secret weapon that can transform your mornings and set you up for success. It's called overnight oats, and it's about to become your new best friend. This isn't some soggy mess you left in the pot. Forget those bland, uninspiring breakfasts that leave you feeling sluggish. We're talking about overnight oats, a game changer in the world of breakfast. It's easy to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Start with a base of rolled oats. None of that instant rubbish. Rolled oats are the real deal, providing a hearty texture and a slow release of energy to keep you going all morning. And your choice of milk, I use almond, but you do you. Whether it's almond, soy, oat, or regular dairy milk, pick what suits your taste and dietary needs. Now a spoonful of chia seeds, just a touch of honey for sweetness, and top it with some fresh fruit. Berries are brilliant, bananas are beautiful, and they add a burst of flavor and color. Just no overripe mush, yeah? Freshness is key to making your overnight oats not only nutritious, but also visually appealing. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and you've got yourself a breakfast that's ready to go when you are. No more rushing in the morning, no more skipping breakfast. Just grab your jar of overnight oats and start your day right. It's convenient, it's healthy, and it's delicious. So why not give it a try and see the difference it makes in your mornings? Next up, avocado toast. But hold on, this isn't just any ordinary toast. Now I know what you're thinking, toast? That's it? Just plain old toast? Get those donkey thoughts out of your head. We're about to elevate this simple dish to a whole new level. We're taking it up a notch. This is going to be a culinary experience. First, get yourself a ripe avocado, none of that hard rubbish, and mash it up until it's nice and creamy. Spread that creamy goodness on some whole grain toast, making sure to cover every corner. Next, sprinkle on some salt and pepper to taste. This will enhance the flavors. And don't forget a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It adds a zesty kick that brightens up the dish. If you want to add some protein, poach an egg to perfection and whack it on top. The runny yolk will blend beautifully with the avocado. There you have it. A breakfast fit for a king, not just any toast, but a gourmet delight that will start your day off right. Now, for those of you who like it quick and easy, we've got the smoothie bowl. Chuck your favorite fruits in a blender, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk, and blitz it until it's smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top it with granola, nuts, seeds, whatever you fancy. It's a breakfast that's bursting with flavor and will keep you full until lunchtime. This next one is for those of you who like a bit of elegance in the morning. The Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of granola. It's light, it's refreshing, and it's got a satisfying crunch. It's the kind of breakfast that makes you feel like you've got your life together. Finally, we've got the veggie omelet. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. This one's for all you protein lovers out there. Whisk up some eggs, making sure they're well beaten to get that fluffy texture we all love. Pour them into a hot pan, preheated to medium-high heat. The sizzle as the eggs hit the pan is music to the ears. Now add your favorite chopped veggies. Peppers, spinach, tomatoes, whatever you've got. The more colorful, the better. Cook it until the eggs are set and the veggies are tender. This usually takes about 5-7 minutes. Serve it with a side of whole grain toast, which adds some healthy carbs to your meal. And you've got yourself a breakfast that's packed with protein and will keep you going all morning long. It's perfect for a busy day ahead or a relaxed weekend brunch. And there you have it. 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas to start your day off right and feel energized. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. These recipes are simple enough for even the biggest idiot sandwich in the kitchen to master. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time and happy cooking.